Welcome to this overview on the key Unity mistakes made by beginners when starting with Unity. In the next few minutes, we'll look at the habits that slow new developers down and, more importantly, how to avoid them. The goal is simple: save time, reduce frustration, and help you build better games with a much smoother workflow. Before writing more code, take time to understand the Unity editor. The hierarchy, scene view, inspector, project window, and console all work together, and knowing where everything lives makes development much faster. Once the layout feels familiar, you can move around confidently instead of guessing your way through the interface. Transform is the foundation of almost everything in Unity, so ignoring it can cause all kinds of strange behavior. Position, rotation, and scale control how objects exist in your scene, and resetting them when needed keeps things predictable. If you understand Transform well, many beginner bugs become much easier to solve. A messy project slows you down before the game even gets interesting. When the hierarchy is cluttered and your assets are scattered everywhere, finding anything becomes painful. A clean folder structure and organized scene from the beginning make your workflow smoother and help you stay focused on building instead of searching. Unity is built around components, and trying to fight that design usually makes development harder. Instead of forcing everything into one script or one object, think in terms of behaviors that work together. The component system is what makes Unity flexible, so learning to use it properly is a big step toward writing cleaner games. If you write code without testing as you go, small issues can quietly grow into much bigger problems. Regular testing helps you catch bugs early, confirm your logic works, and avoid wasting time later on. Even quick playtests after small changes can save a surprising amount of effort during development. Putting too much logic inside update is a common mistake that can hurt performance and make code harder to manage. Not every action needs to happen every frame, so it's better to use events, coroutines, or fixed updates when appropriate. The more intentional you are with your game loop, the cleaner your project will feel. Version control is one of the best habits you can build early, because losing progress is far worse than learning Git. It protects your work, makes collaboration easier, and gives you a safety net when mistakes happen. Starting with Git from day one can save you from a lot of stress later. Big projects can feel overwhelming, but the smartest approach is to start small and grow step by step. Build a simple core first, then add enemies, systems, and polish only after the foundation works. Consistent progress matters more than rushing, and every small win gets you closer to a complete game.